Welcome. Today we're diving into an important topic, brain cancer. This complex condition encompasses various types, including gliomas and meningiomas, each with unique characteristics. Unfortunately, some tumors can be particularly aggressive, making early detection crucial. Brain cancer is not as common as other cancers, but its impact is significant, affecting thousands of lives each year. Recognizing the signs and symptoms, such as persistent headaches, seizures, or changes in vision, can lead to timely diagnosis. If diagnosed, treatment options may include surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy, tailored to individual needs. While we can't prevent brain cancer entirely, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and regular checkups can help. Thank you for joining us today. Your health matters.
Okay, let's go.